so you also heard the news that Icon has a new model home in Far East El Paso? Awesome, let's look at it together.
We invite you to immerse yourself in the details at 2432 Cesar Cordova, where the exquisite temple floor plan unfolds across 2,596 square feet.
And for those days where you feel like escaping from the world, you have a spa-like restroom at your fingertips.
This thoughtfully designed home boasts 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, creating a perfect harmony of space and style.
So if you liked what you saw, guess what? Icon can build one just like this, just for you. Find out more details by calling us or visiting us online at iconcustombuilder.com.